Hey squad, this is the Paranormic Spirit Box. We're going to unbox it. Specially calibrated for paranormal investigators. Some of the things that it does. Let's unbox this. Well, let's turn it over here real quick, and you can pause that and read it if you want. I was originally going to buy the SB7T Rev 6, but I saw this one. It had no reviews on Amazon or on YouTube, so I thought I would check it out. Be the first one to give it a. It's got some dust on it. Thought I'd be the first one to check it out and give it a review. This is the top of it. There's a flashlight. It has a USB port. I guess you can use a USB drive in it. Has a power supply, earphone jack. Has a SD card. The SD card it came with an SD card, and according to Amazon, it's a 32 gig. Turn this thing on. It's got a slide on and off.
FM mode.
Out of the box, it comes almost fully charged. Let's check out the modes.
AM mode. Bluetooth mode.
It's Bluetooth.
Line in mode. SD card mode. FM mode. AM mode.
FM around here is really cluttered because I live near a big city. So we're going to scan the AM channels. That volume is not all the way up. Sounds pretty good. The SB7T or SB7, I saw a lot of complaints about the volume and the speaker not being loud enough. This speaker seems like it's pretty good. I'm actually kind of surprised. I'll turn it down a little bit. That sounds really good as far as volume is concerned. And let's go to the FM mode.
Bluetooth mode.
There we go.
Line in mode. SD card mode. FM mode.
We'll do a scan of the FM mode. And record. We're recording onto the SD card. All right. Pause the recording.
AM mode. Bluetooth mode. Line in mode. SD card mode. Challenges in.
We're just playing back what we recorded. We're going to go ahead and delete that. All right.
FM mode.
And from here, if you want, you can go in and listen to, set your radio station and listen to what you want to listen to. So we'll put it back on scan so it's not, we don't get a copyright. It comes with a rechargeable battery. There's the user manual. And under the user manual is the power cord, so we can charge it up. I kind of like that. That looks pretty cool. Huh? That's the back of the radio. It was $84 on Amazon. And, I don't know. Like I said, the quality of the speaker sounds really good compared to the SB7 that the reviews I've read. The quality of the loudness of the speaker is pretty bad, so this is actually pretty good. I'd give it 5 stars. In fact, I did on the Amazon review, and I'll put a description down in the, or a link down in the description for this one and for the SB7, and let you check it out. All right, squad. Thank you for joining me on this this adventure, and we'll take this out and get it tested. Have a good night.